Sir, can I get some sweetener?
Somehow your man touches.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry if there's a little glare. Thank you so much to my 191 subscribers. I appreciate you so much. So what am I doing here? I don't know if you can see, but I'm in the Garden of the Gods right now, and it's epic. I had like this whole plan to come here and make this crazy video, and I have done none of that. I have spent the time meditating and just enjoying the beautiful scenery around me. Actually, I'm not even like that great of a scenic spot right now. I'm just alone because I didn't want to talk to a camera with a bunch of people around, because all the money shot views, lots of people around. So I'm just kind of here right now. So yeah, I don't really know what's going on, but I'm just gonna go enjoy some more of this. It's crazy beautiful. Whew. Look at that. Beauteous.
Android?
Not at all. Ooh, sparkles. Ooh. This place is just like IKEA's little sister. Alright, let's cut to the Where's the wine?
Got it.
Ooh, look at this warm clothes. Oh, sweet. What are you gonna get? Is this where the Sauvignon Blanc
No, I'll
is?
show you where the other one is. Well, this is
think-
this is the nice one.
Yeah, they had Moet Chandon down here for $39. Yeah, I should get one for Thanksgiving, right?
Why not? Well, that's a good thing.
Okay, so I'm driving to work and I just had this random thought. Why are there so many men's erection pills out at the checkout when you go to like gas stations, but like not like tampons or something that like could be useful? But like there's like so many like men's like erection pills. You ever notice that right at the counter when you're trying to check out? Why? I'm here. I'm getting on the wait. Oh my god. Rude. Getting on the elevator. So, you know, feeling the holiday spirit. So yeah, I'm just going down to prop the door open for the delivery guy because I love food. There's so much wrong with this. What the fuck am I doing? Me, 27 years old, and an Ariana Grande wig.
This dude is f***ing crazy.